Don't want to show your face in videos? No problem. Don't have a mic to record your voice? No worries. In this video, I'll show you how to use a free AI tool called Vidnoz to create realistic talking avatar videos that you can use on YouTube, in presentations, or on social media. The best part? You don't need a camera, mic, or any editing skills. So let's jump right in. First up, we're going to check out Vidnoz, which is a free web-based tool that turns your text into a professional video using an AI-generated avatar that speaks your script. You can choose from dozens of human-like avatars, and the AI voice sounds incredibly real. Let's check it out. But first, if you're new here, my name is Bilal with Social Media Examiner. We love making videos that help you grow your online presence and reach your business goals. So join us every week for new tips and tutorials. Okay, now back to First, head to the website. I'll include a link in the description below. Note that you need to sign up to use the demo. But if you want to save your videos and access other features, you'll need to create an account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a bunch of sample videos created by other users. If you want to try one of these out, just click the play button and it'll start the video. Now let's create our own. So scroll down to where you see Create Your First Video and click Start Creating. Next, choose an avatar from the selection. There are currently over 40 to choose from, including male, female, professional, casual, and more. When you're happy with your choice, simply click on it to select it. Then it's time to paste your script. This could be an intro to your business, a quick tutorial on a topic you know about, a product review, a customer support video, or really anything you want. For this demo, I'm going to type in a very short script. Hi, welcome to our AI Tools channel. Let me show you how to create social media content in just a few clicks. Once you've finished typing, hit Ctrl-C to copy it and then paste it in the box. If your script is longer than a few sentences, you can also upload a text file. Simply click on Upload File and then select your file. Next, choose your voice. You'll see a drop-down menu for the language and another menu for the voice style. You can preview how it sounds by clicking on the play button. Once you're happy with your choice, hit Generate. That's it. Now all you have to do is wait a few seconds while it creates your video. And here's a tip. If you like, you can come back later and create additional videos using the same avatar and voice. Just click on New Video and you'll be able to keep your characters consistent across all your videos. When your video is done, you'll see it here in the preview window. You can watch it once to make sure you're happy with it. And if you are, click Download Video. And that's it. You've created a professional-looking talking avatar video in just a few minutes. And the possibilities are really endless. You can use Vidnoz AI to create YouTube faceless videos. You can use it to teach or explain a topic you're knowledgeable about. You can create product reviews, customer support, avatars, Instagram Reels, or TikToks, or you can even create videos for a client and offer them as a freelance service. And that's it. Now you know how to make talking videos with AI avatars using and I will provide the link in description to watch more videos about AI tools and strategies for growing your online presence. Be sure to check out our channel, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to stay up to date with all our latest tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.